Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. Today I have my top 5 hair products I have ever used. So let's start. First I have my most favorite hair oil, that is Safa Black Oil. I have been using this for years. This is my #1 hair oil, to be very honest. It worked for my hair fall. It controlled my hair fall very well and it also soothes my scalp. I really love this Black Oil. My favorite, my all-time favorite. I can use this all my life, to be very honest. Number 2 I have Olaplex. Number 3, so if you have damaged hair, this is gonna work really well for you. It is one pre-shampoo treatment. Keep this on for 1 hour, then rinse it off. It does the job. It takes care of your damaged hair. It makes the hair so soft. One thing is that this is so expensive, but I have noticed Tira, they give really good offers on this Olaplex. One time I bought it for 1,600, something like that, and the MRP is 3,000, more than 3,000. So please look for the offer, and you don't have to use it every week. I use it once in a month or once in 2 months, to be very honest. Now I have WishCare hair growth serum, and this is a serum I love the most for my hair growth. It is so lightweight, works really well, and I try to use this every night, and it does help with hair growth, and it also reduces hair fall, and it doesn't make my hair sticky or greasy, because I have used serums, hair growth serums, that made my scalp hot and sticky, which I didn't like at all, because I have oily scalp and I don't want to put more things that are oily and sticky. Not that good, because hair growth serum is that you have to use this every day or consistently, otherwise you won't see the result. So if you have to use it every day, the texture is very important, at least for me. The serum works really well. At number 4 I have this Elizavecca essence oil, and I slowly fell in love with this essence oil. This is so good. Initially I was like, it is okay, but the more I used it, the more I loved it, to be very honest. It takes care of my face so well. It has silicone mostly, so if you have frizzy hair and silicone works really well for you, try this, gonna work. It has this thick texture, but it doesn't weigh my hair down. It feels very good when I apply it. It doesn't feel too runny or too thick. Texture feels perfect for me. And lastly I have this Lador Wonder Tear. This is one essence kind of a thing. You apply this before hair mask or conditioner, then you keep this for 3 to 5 minutes, then you wash it off. It really works on frizz. Also it works for if you have damaged hair, if you have very rough hair, it takes care of that. Lador has good hair care. They have this apple cider shampoo, conditioner, which are really good. Their Wonder Tear line is good. They also have bubble shampoo, which works really good for rough hair. Good stuff. So yeah, this is my top 5 hair care favorites, and I hope you found this to be helpful. Thank you so much for being there. I realized a few things are here. It's kind of expensive, so I'm gonna make one affordable version of it. Affordable hair care products at work. I hope you find that to be helpful too. So yeah, I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.